It's an equation of what? Straight line. Yes or no? Are bolo bhai, yes or no? Yes. Means what? We have to relate between x and y. So we're going to take x means what? X is the displacement along y-axis. We will take what? X is the displacement along x-axis. And what is our y? We're going to take y is equals to displacement along y-axis. Y is what? Displacement along y-axis. Look, equation is something which should satisfy each and every point of the path. Suppose this is our projectile motion. A body has been projected at an angle theta with an initial velocity. Okay? Now, an equation should support this point, every point. Right? Suppose that x equals to x1, y equals to y1. Suppose that x equals to x2, y will be y2. Suppose that x equals to x3, y will be y3. Suppose that x equals to x4, y will be what? y4. Like blah, 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 blah. An equation should satisfy every point. You cannot take any fixed point of this point or that point or this point, initial or maximum or this range wala point, right? That's the reason why we use equation. Dekho. So first of all, we're going to take motion along x-axis. We're going to take what? Motion along x-axis. Things are same. What is the initial velocity we had, guys? U, right? What is the velocity along x-axis? Ux. Ux means what? U cos theta. What is Uy? Uy is equals to U sin theta. First of all, we're going to take motion along x-axis. So it will be what? Sx equals to uxt plus half ax t square. Right, everyone? Is there any acceleration along x-axis? There is no acceleration along x-axis. There is no acceleration along x-axis. Snigdha, is there any acceleration along x-axis? Yes. कौन है वो? बताओ कौन है? No, we'll find your pen na. Oh, pen. Oh, like she went to the battlefield and oh, where is my sword? Huh? She's like this. Okay, so there is no acceleration along x-axis, so x will be what? 0. What is the value of sx we have taken? Dekho, now you cannot take displacement along x-axis as range. If you take displacement along x-axis as range, means you are talking about only particular point. I cannot talk about any particular point. I have to take care of each and every point, yes or no? So I have taken a generalized quantity what? X. So x equals to u cos theta into t. Depending on my value of time, the value of x will vary. If it is t1, suppose it will be at x1. If it is t2, it will be at x2. If it is at t5, suppose it will be at this point range. Maybe. Example. Understood? You cannot take displacement along x-axis as what? Range. What's the reason? If you take displacement along x-axis as range, array means this displacement along x-axis. If you take this point as what? Range, you will be talking only about a particular point. Equation means what? It should satisfy each and every point. Yes or no? Understood, everyone? So I have taken a generalized quantity x. At different value of t, we'll have different value of x. Let's find the value of t. We're going to need this. X by u cos theta. Now we're going to use motion along y-axis. Because we have to relate between x and y. Hey, equation means what? Relation between x and y na? What is equation? A relation between x and y, yes or no? Okay. So again, I have to use the same equation. Sy is equals to uyt plus half ay t square. Everyone please see here. What is the value of displacement along y-axis? General displacement, y. Ui is what? U sin theta into t minus g by 2 t square. Now tell me, what is my motive? My motive is to get a relation between x and y. I have to replace the t from here. That's why from motion along x-axis, I got the value of time. Now I'm going to put it here. So the value of y will be what? U sin theta into t ka value. T ka value kitna hai? X by u cos theta minus g by 2 x square by u square cos square theta. So y is equals to what? U cancel. X tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. This is our equation of a projectile motion. Is it clear, everyone? Now see, its equation is in what format? Y is equals to x minus ax square. A is suppose any constant. It means what? It's an equation of a parabola. It's an equation of parabola. The path is parabolic. Okay. We have one more expression. Depending on the convenience, we're gonna use these things. देखो, hey, we have one more equation. ठीक है? Depending on the convenience of the question asked, what we have to find, depending on that thing, we're gonna use either this or that equation. How you gonna derive the next one? देखो, I gonna take x tan theta common. If you take x tan theta common, what will you have? 1 minus, right? Hey, listen, 1 minus, right? Whatever thing is there, you just write g x square by 2 u square cos square theta. You have taken x tan theta extra na? Is it there? Is x tan theta here? No na? Divide by x tan theta. Divide by x tan theta. What you will get? X tan theta 1 minus, look, 1x cancel, gx by 2 u square cos square theta. Tan theta means what, guys? Sin theta by cos theta. 1 cos theta will be cancelled. It will be what? X tan theta into 1 minus gx by 2 u square sin theta cos theta, right? So x tan theta, can I write this 2 sin theta cos theta is what? Sin 2 theta. I can write now. देखो देखो. Correct? Okay. So ultimately what we got, y is equals to x tan theta into 1 minus, देखो, I can take the g as what? Here, u square sin 2 theta by g in the denominator. Hey, this is the formula of range na? This is the formula of what? Range. So this is our one more equation. This is our one more equation of projectile motion. Both are equally important. Okay? Because we're going to get many questions where we have to find range or we have to find, other things, okay, depending on the statement given to us.